Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello. For problem 29, you're asked to write a program that takes the center coordinates and radii of two circles and then determines whether the second circle is inside the first or overlaps with the first. And it gives us a hint that circle 2 is inside of circle 1 if the distance between their centers is um, is less than or equal to the absolute value of R1 minus R2, and circle 2 overlaps if the distance between the two centers is less than or equal to R1 plus R2. So we're going to need to use the math library here. So I'll start by importing math. Then we want to get the input from the user. So x1, y1, and r1 will be the center x and y coordinates and radius for circle 1. X2, Y2, and R2 will be the same for circle 2. And then we want to figure out the distance between their centers. So we'll just use the distance formula here, and d will be equal to math.square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. And now we need to just check if circle 2 is inside circle 1 and print the results. So if d is less than or equal to the absolute value of r1 minus r2, based off of the hint, circle 2 is inside circle 1. If d is less than or equal to r1 plus r2, then based off of the hint, circle 2 overlaps circle 1. Otherwise, the circles do not overlap. So let's try a couple of sample runs here. First, we'll try the sample run for circle 2 being inside circle 1. So the values given in the problem for this are 0.5, 5.1, and 13 for circle 1, and 1, 1.7, and 4.5 for circle 2. And we get that circle 2 is inside circle 1, which is correct. Whoops. We want to now try for overlapping case, so 4.4, 5.7, and 5.5 for circle 1, and 6.7, 3.5, and 3 for circle 2, and we get circle 2 overlaps circle 1, which is correct. And then lastly, we want to test a case where the circles do not overlap. So we'll do 4.4, 5.5, and 1 for circle 1, and 5.5, 7.2, and 1 for circle 2. And we do indeed get that the circles do not overlap.